Hi guys, my name is Daniel Menendez, and today I'll be talking about the consequences of microplastic shedding from synthetic garments during washing. So, as an introduction, microplastics are plastic particles which are less than 5 millimeters in size. They're often created through the breakdown of larger plastics, and major sources include synthetic fabrics, plastic waste, and industrial processes. The key concern here is persistent pollutants that spread easily in water and air, which both affect our ecosystems globally. So, how do these microplastics get released from our clothing? Synthetic fabrics such as polyester, nylon, and acrylic shed tiny plastic fibers when being washed. Friction during washing loosens fibers, which are then drained into wastewater. A single load of laundry can release hundreds of thousands of microfibers into our waterways. What impact does this have on our environment? Water contamination. Fibers pass through wastewater treatments and end up in our rivers, lakes, and oceans. Microplastics have been found in remote areas such as the Arctic Ocean, and fish and marine animals ingest microplastics, mistaking them for food, which can harm their digestive systems and impact growth. Not only just impacting one species, microplastics impact the entire food chain, moving from small organisms to larger animals, eventually ending up in humans. Humans can also get exposed to microplastics through drinking water, salt, and seafood. Potential health risks include inflammation, digestive issues, and exposure to toxic chemicals. A lot of this does have to do with the role of the textile industry. Widespread use of materials like polyester makes shedding a large-scale problem. Some companies have recently started exploring fabrics which have reduced shedding, and alternatives like biodegradable fibers. Eco-conscious branding is pretty big too, with brands now marketing sustainable materials to attract environmentally aware customers. Some possible solutions and innovations. Washing machine filters are filters which are developed and are required by some governments to capture fibers before they reach wastewater. Laundry bags, specialized laundry bags like this one in the middle, are designed to trap microfibers during washing, which reduces the shedding into water systems. And a big thing is honestly just consumer choices. Washing synthetic clothes less frequently on gentler cycles or using cold water reduces shedding greatly. And as far as policy and global actions goes, there's some governments in France and California which are actually beginning to implement policies that require washing machines to have microfiber filters. Some textile regulations are also going out, which are considering like harsher punishments and regulations on the use of synthetic materials and labeling requirements as well, as well as an increased education on microplastic impacts and encouraging consumers to make informed clothing and washing choices. I think that's the biggest one. To wrap it all up here, microplastic shedding from synthetic garments has serious environmental and health implications. Impacts on water pollution, food chains, and potential human health risks are all major things to consider. And as a call to action, emphasizing the importance of choosing sustainable fabrics, supporting policies, and adapting washing practices that reduce microfiber pollution should all be something we're thinking about right now in this day and age. That's pretty much it. These are my references, and thank you guys so much for listening.